Hello again, folks. Welcome back to Squire Sunday. A little bit later today than usual. So today is going to be the picking of this beautiful Squire 662, which recently went to Coxie, and he's done a fabulous job, let me say, of cleaning it up. This is what it looked like, and this is what it looks like now. Sorry about the glare. But yeah, absolutely stunning job, mate. And again, I can't thank you enough. It's really looking fantastic in my collection. Yeah, really pleased with it. Really pleased. So anyway, as Jack Fox and Coxie have explained, I'll leave videos to both pickings down below of for 662. Jack Fox has done one, Coxie's done a couple now, one of them being this. I'll leave a link down below as well for that, because he picks it in a very different way. I think you'll be interested. So yeah, as mentioned, this has just got the two levers. Over there, you see the two brass ones. Let me see if I can get them moving. There we go. There are your levers, just in there. As opposed to, for a comparison, the 660, where you can see a full row of 4 levers across there. I'll just demonstrate those. There we are, look. There's your 4. So, without further ado, let's pick this. I was scared to before because it's so gritty and gunked up. But like I say, he's done a fabulous job. Oh, hang on. Need to lock it. That's for bitting on the key. I'm going to use a Nigby tensioner because it's posted. I need a drilled out posted key. So we'll pop a UK lockpick as well we're in there. This doesn't take too long to pick, as you can imagine. Let me see if I can get a good angle there for you. So when I'm picking these, you can see the wire probably wants to travel one side to the other. I'll normally go this side on a posted one, and then if that drops down and traps the wire, it doesn't really matter so much. In fact, sometimes it can help. So straight into the back, lift one, that's that. That was quick, wasn't it? I must have caught them both together. So yeah, that is for Squire 662. 2 lever, Old English Squire padlock. Thanks again, Coxie, mate. And also big thanks to the Irish lockpicker, who sold me a lot of these all in one go. Miss you, Peter. Till next time, everyone. Take care. Bye-bye.